Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee.
Hi guys! Welcome back again with me in my YouTube channel. Now, I would like to make creamy mushroom pasta with simple way. Creamy mushroom pasta is one of food from Italian that made from fettuccine pasta with creamy mushroom sauce that made from mushroom, cream, onion and garlic that cook together with the pasta. Are you curious how to make it? Keep watching this video until the end and you will get the recipe. Let's get started! So, before we start to make creamy mushroom pasta, I will show you about the ingredients and also the equipments. The ingredients that we need are oil, fettuccine pasta, onion, water, cooking cream, mushroom, salt, cheddar cheese, minced garlic, parsley, chives, and pepper powder. For the equipments that we need are pan, stove, spatula for stirrer, teaspoon and tablespoon as measuring spoon, knife, serving tong, cutting board, and dinner plate for serving the pasta. Let's make it! So, the first step is cut the onions and also the mushroom. And the next step is saute the mushroom. Turn on the stove and then pour 2 tablespoons of oil. And put the mushroom into the pan. Cook the mushroom until the color is brown. After the mushroom is brown, pour chopped onions into the pan. Saute the onions until it's fragrant. After the onion is fragrant, add minced garlic into the pan. Saute the garlic until it's fragrant. After it's cooked, add half liter of water into the pan. Wait until the water boils. After the water is boiled, put 100 grams of pasta into the pan and then cook the pasta for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes and the water is reduced, add cooking cream into the pan. Around 100 milliliters. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it until well blended. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder.
Stir the pasta until thick.
After the texture like this, it's done. After the pasta is thick, turn off the stove and serve the pasta into the dinner plate. Add chives to the pasta. Add parsley as the garnish. Spread the cheddar. Tada! Creamy mushroom pasta is ready to serve.
Wake up to the sun on my face, map out my day, try my best to stay awake, need me some coffee, open up my windows and breathe, everybody's saying the same thing.
That's all about my video. I hope you can try this recipe at home and give me your result on the comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you next week with new recipe. Bye bye!